Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating and verifying your teacher account so you can manage classes immediately. Once done, choose the teacher view and install the Socrative Teacher app or open the web dashboard. The app syncs changes. Make sure to create each class and section, then import your roster with a CSV or add names manually so students can join quickly. Set class defaults like time limits and shuffle questions. These early choices streamline activity creation and reduce errors later. Next, design the learning activity by choosing the appropriate format: quiz, exit ticket, poll, or short question. When building questions, mix multiple choice, true/false, and short answer to assess different skills. Enable timers for pacing and randomize questions to reduce copying. Once a set is ready, preview it to verify flow and save as a template for reuse. Then decide whether to run it live, schedule a launch, or assign as homework so students can complete it on their time. Finally, launch the activity and watch student engagement in real time. You can pause, end, or lock responses as needed. After completion, export results to CSV or PDF, analyze incorrect patterns, provide targeted feedback, and update grades by adjusting scores. If something goes wrong, students can't join or answers don't submit. First, check the Wi-Fi, ask participants to refresh or restart the app, clear the device cache, and confirm account permissions. If needed, recreate the room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.